Alright, I can even screw around this for another hour and just take the damn thing apart and be done with it. It's the hardest decision to make is when to cut stop and just take everything apart. Fix things correctly instead of dicking around. You get very frustrated trying to fix it. All you gotta do is just take it apart, fix it, be done with it. Half hour, an hour later, you're back to working again. You spend 5-6 hours dicking around with it, come back the next day, pissed off, deal it some more, still not get it fixed. And still wind up taking it apart. Okay, what's the missing Allen? Somewhere it is. It's an Allen. There it is. A few. And the big one's a little stubby one. Stubby one. Alright. Where's the big one at? Putting 2 gears at once. Makes it easier to take apart. Easier to take apart. Alright, what a mess. Trays around here somewhere. Where's all the parts trays? There's a couple laying around here I wasn't using yet, but I must be wrong. Yeah. Parts tray. Yeah. There's a parts tray. And these, you got the shaft comes out the side. Forks jiggle around till they pop out. Don't mix them up. They all look the same, don't they? Yeah, we'll figure it out later. Get the gasket off now. You might not destroy it. Maybe. We'll see how far that lasts. Okay. Everything is ready to come out now. Boom, it's out. You just get the shafts off. That requires a press. So you got to press those down to get them off. The rust in these things. And you can see how this shaft, there's a lip here on the shaft, so cutting the gear down is not really going to help us because the seal would have to go up on the 1-inch diameter right here. Because this is 1 inch here and it's 25 mil here. If it's 1 inch all the way across, you take different parts, pieces. Harley tried to help us a little bit there, I guess. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. So you usually got to go one down a little bit and then the other one goes further. So what we're going to do here for pushing with. That ain't gonna work. Guess we'll just push with the old block right here. That far. Doesn't hurt to check to make sure the shafts are not tight. Oh, they still spin. Good. I didn't feel anything locking up when I was pressing on it, so I figured it was alright anyway. And this one's going to come all the way down. Actually, I think it will. There it goes. Parts and pieces are falling all over the place. Come on, gear, why aren't you coming down? This had some stinky ass grease. Alright. Whew, damn, that stinks. Half a bearing fell out. And that was a really old tranny. These are 2-piece bearings instead of being a full piece like the newer ones are. Whew, that thing stinks. Okay, now I'm going to put this back together, so I'm not going to pull this out all the way. This way I just got to push it back together. Came out the easy way. I'm not here to rebuild, I'm here to take apart and fix. Whew, damn, that thing stinks. Alright, we'll be back.